Yesterday, Mumbai Indians thrashed by the batting of LSG, the bowling of LSG. Once again, this is proved that when your numbers are not in your favor, when numbers are not supporting you, we can say like the planet and the stars are not in the favor of yours, you will not going to get anything. This is called the digital horoscoping palmistry and numerology. We are having the digits. If our 1 to 9 digits are on the right place, right position, then everything is positive in our life. Hardik Pandya, as soon as he became the captain of Mumbai Indians, the Mumbai Indians is on the second last place of IPL 2024. Maybe this will go to 10th place. This is what I am looking forward in the Mumbai Indians numbers and all. Although it hardly matters because the owner of the Mumbai Indian is having a lot of things in his hand. He is having the great economy and the financial status, so nothing to worry about the finance and all. They can come up in the next season of IPL 2025, but they have to go for the mending of numbers. The sad thing is this, that my videos are not reaching to the right hands, and the viewers, those who are coming to my channel, they are my trustworthy viewers and they are my loyal viewers, and sometimes the new viewers also come and they are also joining me. But as you know, I never say for subscription, sharing and liking and commenting and all. But now I am telling you, let me talk about the team of India selection. This is the newspaper I am having in my hand. Since 17 years, India has not won any international trophy, international title in cricket. But then also see the selector, he is going to give the punishment for the two players, Shreyash Iyer and Ishan Kishan. He will not give the punishment to the Hardik Pandya. He will not end the contract of other players, those who are not going in the trophies matches, Ranji Trophy. They are not playing for the home teams. What about the Virat Kohli? Virat Kohli was also not playing games since a long time and he was taken the excuse. Now he is in the team and I am telling you, he will score the runs, no doubt. But that would be not like T20 format. He will consume more ball and he will score 50, 70, 80. But what is the use? We have to see the format of T20. Yashasvi Jaiswal, let me talk about one by one. Yashasvi Jaiswal, Virat Kohli, Surya Kumar Yadav and Rishabh Pant. My numbers are saying no, they will not perform in T20 World Cup. Sanju Samson, Hardik Pandya, Sanju Samson, I will keep it in, he will perform average. His number is also not good, but he has to go for it. Hardik Pandya, nil. He is a all-rounder. Now see what the bowling will give and what he will do with the bat. Shubham Dubey. Okay, no problem. You have included Shubham Dubey, sorry. Ravindra Jadeja, he is having a permanent place in Indian team, whether it is ODI, Test match or T20. He has to be in that team. I don't know what is the reason behind it. Akshar Patel, he will do good. Kuldeep Yadav, yes. Yuzvendra Chahal, I think no. Arshdeep Singh, yes. Jasprit Bumrah, yes. And Mohammad Siraj, yes. And above all, Rohit Sharma, he will do good. but these players' performance will not going to give the World T20 World Cup to our nation. They will go, they will participate, they will play, and their place will be in the chart would be fifth or sixth down. India would be fifth or sixth place in 2024 T20 World Cup. Okay. Now come to today's match. The match is between Punjab Kings versus CSK. So CSK, the toss will play very important role, and you have to project a high score. The CSK bowlers will not going to do any wonder, even though Punjab Kings also will not going to do any wonder. I am talking about the bowling. But in batting, I think so that there is a 60-40% ratio, and all the things will be decided till 5 p.m. today in the evening, and this match going to be very very interesting. Although the past two matches were not so interesting and average, but this match will change the form today's scenario of IPL 2024.